my god, I haven't done one of these videos in such a long time, but I have some PR gifted stuff that I would like to show, so let's open it together. We first have this package from Innovate the Label. I already opened it because I did an unboxing, but there's 8 items here. You get to build your own bundle and you can buy indie and Latina owned brands. So let me show you what came in here. We have the Nopalera hand cream, and this one's launched not too long ago, and I'm actually gonna put it in my purse because I always need a hand cream. I'm new to this brand, but it says Mi Tu Corazon, and look at how pretty the packaging. Oh my goodness, it matches my nails, and it is red. This is the applicator. I'm actually excited to try this lipstick, especially for the holidays. Next we have Chula Beauty, and it's a eyeliner duo. Then we have brown and black. We always need eyeliners, and I'm actually excited to try the brown because I don't own many browns, so that's exciting. Now I heard of this brand, but I never tried it, and this is the brand Rocael. Hope I'm pronouncing it right, but this is like individual eyelashes, and lately I've been into wearing corner lashes, so I know I am excited to use these ones. They look very wispy too, and I can totally see that they go from long to short. Then we have Pinky Beauty, and it's a sponge. It feels super fluffy. You know when sponges are hard and you're like, oh my god, that's not gonna work for my foundation or anything else, but this one, it's super squishy and fluffy, so I feel like this is the best sponge to use for your makeup application. The next thing is Alamar Cosmetics, and I actually love this brand. There's a blush palette that they came out with a few years ago, and I still have it. They don't carry it anymore, but I love that palette. And this is their lip gloss, and this is in the shade Miami Spice. And first of all, I love the packaging. It is so pretty. So I'm super excited to try this one. Perfect for the fall winter time. This is a nice color. Last but not least, this is Kathleen Light's brand. I used to watch her videos. I haven't watched her in a while, but I mean, I don't even know how to pronounce the second word, but I know it's Lice Locker. I don't know how to pronounce the second word, and I don't want to butcher it, but I knew she had a nail polish brand, and I have never tried anything, and I'm super excited to try it actually because I'm in my doing my own nails era. This ones I got them done, but after I take this ones out, I'm gonna do them on my own. See, maybe this is the next color I will be trying. That's everything that came in that box. Let's move on to the next package. Next we have Garnier Fructis times Becky G, the queen herself. I love this box. I feel like I'm gonna keep it because it is so iconic, so pretty. I just love that they did this. So pretty. But let me show you what I got in there. I already opened this one too because I took some pictures, but let me show you. We have the Sleek and Stay Heat Activated Serum. I love Garnier Fructis. Their shampoo, so amazing. I actually finished a whole bottle of shampoo and conditioner. This is a system for anti-freeze, high shine, and it will last you up to 5 washes. So I'm super excited to try this one. But look what came inside. Some Cheetos, and they're Becky G's Cheetos. And I saw some people open their package, so if you open the bag, there's an actual bag of hot Cheetos inside. But I don't know if I want to open it. This is so pretty. I kind of want to keep it. We'll see. But that's everything that came in that box. Okay, then we have 123 by Minix. We have the lip jelly and the lip and cheek tint. So let's try them. Here they are side by side, and look at the colors. The colors are super pretty. Then we have this trio from Enco Beauty, and this is the Miracle Pressed Powder, and then we have the setting spray, and then we have a lipstick. I tried the lipstick the other day on my hand, and I feel like this is a super pretty shade. And then from Skippers, I was able to get the 2 items from Rhode. This is the peptide lip treatment, and then the eye masks. It comes in a pack of 6. I already gave 1 to my sister. This looks so good. I'm so happy that I was able to get both of them because I've been dying to try this brand. There's so much hype going around this brand that I was like, I need to finally give it a try. And then 2 things that I actually bought myself is the Huda Beauty blush filter palette, and I bought the shade Roseberry. I was actually receiving PR from Huda Beauty, but I don't know what happened. It has been the last 2 PRs I haven't received. I haven't reached out to them yet, but I will. It's just I haven't. But I love Huda Beauty products, so that's why I decided to try this one. And this is what I'm wearing today. And oh my god, I love it. I love this blush palette. It is so beautiful, and I recommend for you to try it. I also purchased this Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. This has a retail value for $148, and it was only $52. I cannot wait to try all these lip products, and I actually already have this one. So the one I have in here, I'm gonna gift it to someone in my family. But yeah, I am super excited to try everything. You guys will see future videos, and let me know if you guys like this unboxing videos here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.